Tired of hunting for the edit button in Webex? Here's exactly how to update any scheduled meeting in under a minute. We'll walk through signing in, finding your meeting, and editing details like time, topic, or invitees. Let's start. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is sign into your Webex account. I'm assuming you already have one set up, so go ahead and log in with your usual email and password. Once you're in, we're ready to move. So from the left sidebar, click on Meetings. This is your main hub for everything related to your scheduled calls. It's pretty straightforward. Just one click and you're in the right place. Now, look at the top of that section. You'll see a few tabs, but the one we care about is the Calendar tab. Click on that. This shows you all your upcoming meetings in a timeline view. It's much easier to find what you need here than scrolling through a long list. Scroll through the calendar until you locate the specific meeting you want to edit. If you have a lot of meetings, you can also use the search bar at the top to type in the topic or a keyword. That saves a ton of time. Once you've found it, click directly on the scheduled meeting. This will open up a details panel on the right side of your screen. And here's the really important part. Look in the upper right corner of that panel. You should see a small pencil icon. That's the Edit button. Click it. Now we're into the editing screen. This is where you can change almost anything. Want to update the topic? Just type over the existing text. Need to change the date or time? Click on the date field and a calendar pops up. You can also adjust the time zone here, which is a lifesaver if you're working with people in different regions. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the description field. This is great for adding agenda items or notes for attendees. And below that, you can manage your invitees, add new people, or remove someone who no longer needs to be there. I've tested this process many times, and the interface is actually quite forgiving if you make a mistake. So now that we've made our changes, the next step is crucial. Take a moment to review everything. Double-check the date, the time, the topic. Make sure the invite list looks right. It's much easier to catch an error here than to send out a correction email later. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the white Save button at the bottom of the panel. It should stand out clearly against the background. Now, this might take a moment to process. Webex will save your changes and typically return you to the Meetings page automatically. Give it a few seconds. You'll see a brief loading indicator, and then you're back. And here's the final verification. Look at your meetings list again. That meeting you just edited should now show the updated details. The topic, the time, everything should match what you just entered. If it does, you're all set. And that's it. You've gone from hunting for menus and getting frustrated to updating your meeting in under a minute. In my experience, once you've done this once or twice, it becomes second nature. No more accidental deletions or recreations, just a simple, clean edit. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting planning.